Hiya, welcome back to Mighty Curls. Today is a very exciting day. I'm gonna be on a boat. I'm about that boat life. I just need more friends with the boat. Alrighty, so this boat. As you can tell, I've done my hair already for the most part because I want to do a lot of filming on the boat and pictures and all that good stuff. I've seen the style online lately. I know that people do it with like extensions, and I've seen people do it with their rear hair, and that's what I've done. So I've taken a braid and I've left sections out so that it's like curls. So I feel like this came out pretty good, but I'll show you how I've done it. I've already washed and conditioned my hair, by the way. I have to have clean hair whenever I'm doing a style like this. So first things first, let's add some water. Alrighty, I want to finger detangle it a little bit. I'm going to be using this styler today. Seems to be alright. Let me show you what it looks like. It's like gel, pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna add that to my hair. My mirror's in this direction, so I'll be looking this way a bit. I'm gonna detangle from the root. Alrighty, so I want to give it a quick smooth in the front. I'll probably do my edges after, but depending on how I tie my scarf, I may not see them, but here we go. So I'm going to do my hair started off in 3 sections. Hopefully this is a good angle. So I'm going to take out a small section. I'm gonna curl it. Continue and repeat that again. I'll probably do one more. Alrighty, I'm gonna continue to the end, and then I'm gonna do a bit of a curl. There you go. Okay, added bonus, I'm gonna be wearing a scarf, so let me get it. Okay, so I've done a video already of how I tie my scarf on my head, but I'll be showing you again. Okay, so let's find the middle. Yes, I want to place my braids there. Okay. So I won't tie it in the back, mainly because I don't want to. Okay, so I just want to twist this around till I get to the very end. I want to place that about there. Now I'm going to take this clip to keep it like clipped down so that when I do the other section, it's a good spot. Alrighty, so same thing. Really simple. I'm actually going to go to Lucretia's and I'm going to get some more fabric so I can have more like this. So I just want to put that in a simple 2 knots, not too tight. So that is pretty much it. I'll give these a few tugs so that I get a bit of my length. Alright, that's the finished look. I look fantastic. I'm loving it. Alright, let's get dressed. So I have my bikini on. I'll give you some shots of that later, but here's the final look. Time for a photo shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.